Let's make some Instant Pot pumpkin creme brulee because sometimes you just like to feel a little fancy and it's really easy. Let's start with 4 egg yolks, a third a cup of sugar, a pinch of salt. Give that a good mix. Then we're going to add in 1 1/4 cups of heavy cream. I don't know what the heck happened there. 1 cup of pumpkin puree, a teaspoon of vanilla, a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Give that a good mix. And then we're going to pour it into some ramekins, not all the way to the top, just filling to that lower edge there. Just want to leave a little bit of room. Put in 1 1/2 cups of water into your Instant Pot. Then put in your ramekins. I am using my trivet. Put some aluminum foil over the top, and then you can add another ramekin on top. As long as you can close your lid, you're good to go. Set it to seal. Set it to 6 minutes. We're going to do a natural release for 10 minutes, then a quick release to finish it. Let's remove them. Put them in the fridge for 2 hours. And then we can do the fun stuff. Let's get some granulated sugar on top. I find it burns better than organic, but you can use organic if you like. It's completely up to you. Look at how beautiful. Listen. Oh, the sound of deliciousness heaven. I hope you love this as much as I do. Let me know in the comments.